In this video, I will show you how to remove default clothes from your Roblox avatar using a PC or laptop. Let's start. First, open any browser on your PC, go to roblox.com and log into your account. After logging in, click on Avatar from the left sidebar menu. Now, you will see the recent option. Click on Recently Added. Next, deselect any clothes that are currently being worn. After that, click on Head and Body, then select Skin Tone. From here, you can change your skin color. If you click on the advanced option, you can customize different body parts individually. Your avatar should now show the updated look without forced default clothes. If this video helped you, please like, comment, and subscribe for more Roblox tutorials. Thanks for watching.